Hello, my name is Effert with NIDEK. Today I'm going to instruct you how to install the Medmont Meridia Topographer, the Medmont Studio software, the license, and the calibration. Now, once you've taken everything out of the Medmont Studio box, the Meridia itself, and the base plate, in addition to those two, you're going to have your chin and forehead rest. You're going to have your power cord. You're going to have your dust shield. These are your rail covers with screws, and just some other minor accessories. This will be your calibration ball. Here. And we also have a quick reference setup guide, how to install the Medmont Meridia, and also how to install the software on your PC. And last but not least, in addition to that, we do have our Medmont USB flash drive. This is very important not to lose. So we will copy this and make a copy on our desktop when we go over the software installation. So as you're unboxing the Medmont Meridia, it's important to note that you have the topographer and its base plate. These are going to be your two main components in the beginning of installation. Then I will show you the accessories. Now we're going to install the topographer on the base plate after the base plate is attached to the table. You want to make sure that the base plate itself is as close to the edge to the left side of the table as possible, as your PC or your laptop will be over here on the right. You want to secure the base plate with two number 8 wood screws. After you've attached the base plate to the table, you're going to take a small flathead screwdriver and you're going to loosen these screws. And you're going to insert your chin rest and forehead rest, making sure that this bevel is out towards the patient's side. Insert until it locks down. And now we're going to tighten the screws to make sure that the chin rest and forehead rest are stable. To install the topographer, you want to make sure that your wheels are directly in the rails and they're even by rolling it smoothly to make sure that you don't have any drag. You can unscrew, make sure it's nice and good movement, and we can lock down so we can place on the rail plates. The rail covers will slide over the rails and will be attached by these 4 screws. These screws are attached by utilizing a small Phillips head screwdriver. We're now going to install the calibration ball. Remove the screw from the calibration ball. There is a groove underneath, not on the outside, but inside there is a groove. Tighten the calibration ball so we're ready for calibration after software installation. Now the installation of the Meridia main body is completed.